Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving the event ID error code 455 Esent. So Esent is a built-in database search engine on your computer, which aids in the File Explorer search functionality. So if you're having an issue with this, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in File Explorer. Best match should go back with File Explorer listed directly above App. So go ahead and just left click on that. Now that we're here, you want to go select this PC on the left side. Double click on your local disk where Windows is installed on. There should be a little Windows icon above the hard drive, so go double click on it. Double click on the Windows folder and now locate System32 right here. Double click on it. Now you want to locate the config folder right here. Double click on it, and if it asks you for permissions, go ahead and select continue. You might need to provide permissions to access it. You might need an administrator account as well, so don't be doing this with a local user account. You need an administrator account. So now that we're in config here, locate system profile and double click on it. Again, select continue. Double click on the app data folder and now double click on local. Now that we are here, you want to right click inside of this area. So just on the blank section on the right side, select new and then select folder. We're going to call this folder tile data layer, exactly how it appears on my screen. So tile data layer, all one word, no spaces, first letter of each word should be capitalized, again how it appears on my screen. Hit enter on your keyboard. Once it is here, you want to go ahead and double click on this folder. So now we're going to right click inside of this new folder that we just created in a blank area, select new, and then select folder. We're going to call this folder database, one word. So database, D-A-T-A-B-A-S-E. Hit enter on your keyboard to save that. Now that we have done that, we're going to go ahead and just close it here. You will need to restart your computer, and honestly, that's about it. There's really nothing else that we need to do here. So again, hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. Thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.